Hey everyone, are you ready to master English with me today? Whether you're just starting your English journey or looking to refresh your basics, you're in the right place. Learning a new language can feel overwhelming, but with the right tools and a little practice, you'll be speaking with confidence in no time. Today, I'm excited to share 10 simple, essential sentences that you can start using right away. These phrases are perfect for beginners and will help you sound more natural and confident when you speak English. Plus, they're super useful in everyday situations. Whether you're meeting new friends, traveling, or just practicing at home, these sentences will help you connect instantly with others. So, let's jump in and start building your English skills together. Number 1. Hello, how are you? This is the most classic and friendly greeting in English. It's a great way to start any conversation, whether you're meeting someone for the first time or saying hi to a friend. Use this phrase anytime you want to greet someone politely. It shows you care about how the other person is feeling, and it's a wonderful way to break the ice. Number 2. My name is. This is how you introduce yourself. For example, you can say, "My name is Sarah." It's simple, clear, and helps people remember you. Don't be shy. Practice saying your name out loud. You can even add, "Nice to meet you," to make your introduction even friendlier. For example, "My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you." Number 3. Where are you from? This question is a great way to get to know someone and learn about their background. People love to share where they come from. You can answer with, "I'm from Brazil," or "I'm from India," or wherever you're from. It's a simple way to start a conversation and find common ground with others. Number 4. Can you help me? This is a very useful sentence, especially if you're in a new place or learning something new. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. People are usually happy to help, especially when you ask politely. Whether you're lost, confused, or just need some advice, this question works wonders. Number 5. I don't understand. It's completely okay not to understand everything, especially when you're learning. Don't be afraid to say this if you're confused or need more explanation. Remember, everyone was a beginner once. Saying "I don't understand" shows you're eager to learn and want to improve. People will appreciate your honesty and help you out. Number 6. Could you please repeat that? If you didn't catch what someone said, this is a polite way to ask them to say it again. It's better to ask than to pretend you understood. Try saying, "Could you please repeat that?" with a smile. Most people will be happy to help and repeat themselves more slowly or clearly. Number 7. What does this mean? When you see or hear a new word or phrase, don't hesitate to ask what it means. This is how you learn and expand your vocabulary. Every time you ask, "What does this mean?" you're taking a step forward in your English learning. Curiosity is your best friend when learning a language. Number 8. How much does it cost? This is a must-know sentence for shopping, eating out, or traveling. It helps you manage your money and make smart choices. Whenever you're at a store, market, or restaurant, just ask, "How much does it cost?" It's simple, direct, and very useful. Now let's move to number 9. Share your interests and hobbies with this sentence. For example, "I like music," or "I like pizza." This helps people get to know you and find things you have in common. And finally, number 10, thank you. These 2 words are powerful. Always say thank you when someone helps you or does something kind. It shows respect and gratitude. Let's quickly review all 10 sentences together. Hello, how are you? My name is. Where are you from? Can you help me? I don't understand. Could you please repeat that? What does this mean? How much does it cost? I like, and thank you. Practice saying them out loud. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every time you use these sentences, you're getting better and more comfortable with English. Don't be afraid to ask questions or repeat yourself. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. Use these sentences when you're out shopping, meeting new people, or even practicing at home in front of a mirror. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Try making your own examples with each sentence. For instance, "I like reading," or "Can you help me with my homework?" Personalizing these phrases will help you remember them better. Thank you for learning with me today. I'm so proud of you for taking this step. Practice these sentences every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You'll be amazed at how quickly your confidence grows and your English improves. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone learns at their own pace. Mistakes are just part of the process, and every error is a chance to learn something new. Keep going, keep smiling, and remember, I'm cheering you on every step of the way. You've got this, and I believe in you. If you enjoyed these tips and want more simple English lessons, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community of learners, and I'll see you next time for more fun and easy English practice. Bye for now.